You're ready to create a professional influencer media kit with Wix. But before you dive into the editor, let's take a moment to prepare everything you'll need. First, let's talk about what an influencer media kit actually is. Think of it as your online resume or portfolio for brand collaborators. It's a single place where potential partners can learn who you are, see your social media stats, check out your past work, and even find your rates. Having a professional media kit makes it much easier to land sponsorships and build strong relationships with brands. And why Wix? Because it's one of the easiest and most flexible platforms to build on. You can create a fully customized media kit, add dynamic elements like videos and galleries, and even track visits to see how many brands are viewing your kit, all without needing to know how to code. So let's get started. First, define your brand. Start by clarifying your personal brand. Ask yourself, what niche do I represent? What type of brands do I want to collaborate with? Write down 3 to 5 keywords that describe your style and personality. For example, bright, minimal, or bold storyteller, because these will guide your design choices later on. Next, gather your social media stats. Brands love data. Collect your most up-to-date numbers, follower accounts, engagement rates, monthly reach, or any impressive analytics you have. You can use screenshots from Instagram Insights, TikTok Analytics, or other platforms to display these stats visually on your site. Next, collect your best work. Pick out a few examples of past collaborations, partnerships, or your best performing posts. High quality images or short videos work great here. If you're just starting out, that's okay too. You can just use your best organic content to showcase your style. Decide on your rates. If you plan to include a rate card, prepare your pricing for different services, such as sponsored posts, reels, stories, blog mentions, or brand ambassadorship packages. Keep it clear and easy for potential partners to understand. Write your bio. Prepare a short, professional bio that tells brands who you are, what you do, and what makes you unique. Keep it friendly but professional. Think 3 to 5 sentences that capture your personality. And finally, prepare your branding assets. Gather your logo, brand colors, and fonts if you have them. Even if you don't have a full brand kit, choose a color palette and a couple of fonts that reflect your personal style. This will give your media kit a polished and consistent look. For your brand colors, you can prepare their hex codes. If you want a logo for your brand, you can also create one with Canva. Anyway, prepare all of your assets in a single folder so that it's easier to upload and access them as you work on your site. Once you have all of these ready, you'll be set to jump into Wix and start building with confidence. In the next video, we'll pick the perfect Wix template and begin customizing it to bring your media kit to life. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss the next step. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.